24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of electrical conductors, insulators, and electric current from Chapter 5 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover electrical conductors and insulators, electric current. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is static electricity? What are the properties of charges? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise properties of electricity. Keep writing the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, explain to the students what electrical conductors and insulators are. Ask them if they can name any common conductors and insulators that they observe daily and what they are used for. Show to them an electric plug. Ask them to identify the insulators and conductors in it. You may also open the plug and show to the students the wires in it, which are again covered in insulators. Construct a simple circuit in front of the students. Explain to them its parts and how electricity passes through it. Turn the switch on and off and explain the open and closed circuits to the students. Then, with the help of the textbook, explain electric circuits in detail. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to draw the diagram of electric circuit. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.